Hi everybody, welcome back to Rach and Bella Crafts. Rachel here, hope you're all well. So I wanted to have a go today at doing the Scrap Buster challenge for the week with Melina. I was watching Julie from Camellia Crafts earlier on today, and she'd been working on her ticket stacked pockets, and I had just piled all of my Tim Holtz scraps up onto the desk because I was working on another project, and I thought, oh, fantastic, I hadn't thought of using them for that. So I'm gonna have a little go, and I thought you might like to craft along with me. So basically what we're doing is taking our scraps, any scraps, you can do this with any scraps by the way, and we are creating ticket shapes. I have done these here simply by using my circle cutter because I don't have a ticket stub punch, and I've simply just been placing the very tip of the corner into the circle cutter, and that has given me quite a satisfactory, I think, little shape on the side there. So I'm just going to work on these for a quick minute and put them together, and then we will add some decorations to the front. So if you do have any scraps lying around and you want to craft along with me, please do join me as we get these done. So I've got a few different types that I've already cut into different ways. So this one here, basically I've just folded, this is one of the squares out of, you know, you have the 12 by 12s, then you have a sheet at the back of the Tim Holtz with the 4 on. So this is one of those 4 squares, and I'm going to just simply turn this one here into a little pocket. So let me just pop a little divot in there. My crafting floor is covered in little bits that have been taken out. Right, so we're going to just add a little bit of glue down the side. These are so easy to make, these pockets, it's unbelievable. Nice and quick. I did some earlier on, and I've done some different shaped ones as I've got my scraps out, but I was really enjoying having a go at these and working with the different shapes. So what I've also done is I've taken some of my smaller scraps and I've just turned them into little scrappy shapes, so that I can add then them to the front. So I'm going to pop that one on there like that, and that will give me an additional pocket on the front. Oop. Heavy-handed with the glue there, Rach. Need to leave a bit of space to get something in there, don't we? Right. There we go. Marvellous. Right, and then I think, should we add one at the bottom there? Yes, let's pop one at the bottom there. Oh, I haven't inked that one. Missed that, look. Oh no, I did. I inked the other side. Aha. Oh, I don't know which way you're going to put it now. Do I go with that side? No, it's a bit much. Let's go with that one. There's a better contrast, isn't there? Righty-ho. So a bit of glue on there, a bit of glue on there, and a bit of glue at the bottom. And there we go. It's as simple as that. Now, let me just have a quick look what I got here. I've just been trying to pull out some of my little tickety scrap things I've got here, because I've got stuff in tins everywhere where I've previously cut things out from different projects and what have you. So I'm going to try and use up some of those. I think these will look quite good on here. Ooh, and I tell you what I've got as well is some cheesecloth left over. So I might have just a little snippet of that, and then that'll just give it a bit more texture then, won't it? So let's just scrunch that up a bit, and I think we'll pop that there. Let's get my little brush one out. I like the brush one, it doesn't make too much mess. There we go. Let's pop that down there, and then do we go that? Yes, I thought so. I had a feeling it would look better that way. I hope that does look alright now. It's just, there we are. And then, gosh, it's blowing a gale out there again today. rain that we have had has been absolutely phenomenal. So much flooding around. Here we go. So that's the first one done. Lovely jubbly. When that's dry, then we'll pop some bits and pieces into there. So this one that I've done here, I've done slightly differently. I have cut the divot on the side, so this can be, you know, a side tuck, so to speak. To be able to take, it'll be a side pocket rather. So I'm going to just glue the top and the bottom, just to close it up, because we've got to close it somewhere, otherwise it's not a pocket, isn't it? There we go. That down there, dab, dab, dab. Okay, and then on the front of that, then I think we'll add maybe this one, or maybe, oh no, that one's pretty, isn't it? Let's put that on there. Now, I think I'll put it in the middle, and then we'll do it like a belly band, I think. That'd be a bit different, wouldn't it? There we go. Just a smidgen of glue. That's in the middle there now. It's awfully hard to tell at this angle. Okay, excellent. Right, and I think a little word on there would be quite nice. Let's have a look. Desk is awash with stuff. Yep, that's the wrong colour. What have we got here? Right, we've got a couple of little tickly things. Maybe that one and that one. And, oh, I have a person here. A person, you know what I mean. I did have a little person, but I don't know where that's gone. Oh, there we are. So we got a couple of people here. Say hello to my people. Let's just ink these, and then we'll have a little look and see which one of these goes best. We've been having a bit of a giggle this evening on, we've got a group chat for the group Facebook group admin, and one of the ladies asked how a Welsh place name was pronounced, and so we've been having a giggle because they've all been sending voice messages on this day, but yeah, it's quite funny trying to work out, they were trying to work out how to pronounce some of the Welsh, this Welsh place name, and so we've had some rather funny voice messages back and forth this evening, which has been a good giggle, which is always needed and always much appreciated, isn't it? They're a great bunch, our admin team. So thank you to all of you that have taken part in the challenges this week. They're going really well, and it's great seeing all your posts on there. Do I want that side? No, I want that side, I think. And then we're going to go across the bottom down there. Yeah. Not going to overthink this, I promised. No overthinking. So what's this week's challenge again? We had the folio last week, didn't we? The mini folio, and then, oh yes, I remember, there was a freebie this week. So if you haven't yet seen the freebie, go check that out on our coffee page. I need to be careful I put him down now because it's a belly band, so I don't want to block the use of the belly band. I'm going to pop him up there, I think. What was I saying then? Yes, freebie on the coffee page. We're working with our scraps, and we are doing flags, and we've made altered paper clips and scrappy clusters. Ooh, I like that one. Very nice. Right, so that's that one done. We've got two done there now. And then the other one that I got, I cut out completely differently. So I didn't fold it all the way over in half. I just folded it, you know, I've left a gap basically. And I've put a divot at the top there. And again, I'm going to treat this one like a side pocket. So I'm going to just glue, oops, at the bottom and glue at the top. fold him over. There we are. And then we've got this one here then, which I think I'm going to put in the centre there. And this one I'm going to do as a side tuck. So that it'll go in the same direction then as the side tuck there. But I think sometimes you can just get more in a side tuck, can't you? Put a bigger, a larger, you know, piece of ephemera into a side tuck, as opposed to, you know, just having a slim pocket on the top. So that can sometimes be a better way to use the space. Right, what else? Oh, I wonder if I might use one of these actually. So I've got a couple of these, and I want that lovely lady in the middle. There we go. So let's just ink that. And what else can we put into this? So I've got a little bit of got a few of these scraps left here. So I've got a complete mess on the side of my desk here, where I've just got loads of like tickety bits and words, and I wanted to put that on there, but it's a bit too, I wasn't sure about the colour. Is it a sticker? It is a sticker, isn't it? Let's have a look what it looks like. It's a bit cloudy, so I thought, yeah, if it had been translucent, I would have put it on, but it's not, so we'll leave that. I just like the irony of putting the word ticket on the tickets. Do you know what I mean? That one is a good colour as well. Okay, and then we got that one there. I'm just thinking, what can I want something larger behind it that's going to go upright. Ooh, what about that one? No, wrong colour. Think. That's a label, but that might do it. Right, let me just cut that out a second. I'm going to have a look-see now. We'll have a little look-see now. Okay. This is a fun project, Melina. Really enjoyed this one, and it's been nice to just craft away without having to think about things too much. Does that make sense? A little bit of our cheesecloth again, because I'm really loving this. It goes nicely with my kind of Tim Holtzy theme. I feel like it does anyway. So we'll pop that behind. Then we'll have this here. Then that, no, that's not working. Where's the thing at the front? I'm just talking to myself here, don't mind me. There we go. And then maybe this one here. Yes. Yes. Okay. Bit of glue there. Down you go. Bit of glue there. Down there. There we are. Oh, I do like that. Right, so that's those 3 there. Now I've got a few here that I was working on earlier on. I'll finish that one after. Let's get these stuck down. So we've got this one here, and so I've got a pocket there, pocket there, pocket there, and I've layered my ticket pockets up rather than placing them all at the bottom, just because I thought it looked fun, a little bit different. So I'm going to just put that label on the front of there. There we go. And then I think I might put that one up that way for a change, rather than just angling them down. Okay, and then I've got some tickets here then to pop in. Now these are nice and dry, these pockets, because I did these ones earlier on. And then I'm just going to put these in with them. And then that one in there. Very nice, I like that very much. And then I've got this one here as well. So this one I've just done a single ticket, so this will stick straight onto a page. And then we've got a side tuck here then as well. So they can go in the side there, just like that. And then I thought maybe, and I have that one as well to go in. And then I thought maybe then we could put that little one there. So I've made a ticket there out of a scrap of my Tim Holtz cards, and I'm going to just pop that there. And then I'm going to put this one, just to lighten everything up a little bit, here. Straight there, yeah. Oh, there we go. So that's that one done. And then I'm going to just finish this one off. Now this one is the one with the pocket in the top. So we've got a nice big pocket in here, all the way down. And then we've got pocket in the front there, pocket in the front there. So I'm going to just pop these in, so I know where my pockets are. And I shall make a large journal card to go in there then after. But not right now, because that's not what we're doing right now, is it? No. And I'm going to pop that ticket in there too. There we go. And then I've got another one of these. Now let's put that side in there. And that side in there. And then I have a few tickets here. Little tickets. So I'm going to put this one on this side, because I thought that was rather pretty. Tried to make some pre-choices, you see, save you guys a bit of time watching me faffing about in my little pile over there. And then this one, I think I'll put this one here. And then that one can come across. There we go. So, oh, sorry, I'm all off-piste, as they say. I'm all off cam. There we are. So that is my little go at the scrap busting challenge. I hope you enjoyed crafting along, and I hope you'll get your scraps out and have a little go at ticket stacked pockets. They were super easy, really enjoyed those, and literally you can do them with any papers, any size that you've got there of your scraps, and just literally fold away, cut away the edges, and away we go. So thank you for joining me today. I hope you all have a great day, and I will be back with you very soon. Take care now. Bye.